Hey everyone, this will be a very quick unboxing here of a Google Pixel 8 in the Obsidian color, which is basically just black. So, yeah, out of the box. A while back, when these first came out, we did the hazel color, which is a really cool color. Now we're going to do this Obsidian. So you get your adapter here, USB-C to USB-A adapter. You get your white charging cable. You get pamphlet there. So of course, these days you do not get much in the box. Phone itself. There we go. It's a nice size phone, not too big, not too small. So of course we have our power button, volume rocker, mic, your SIM card slot there, speakers. I believe only one of these is actual speaker though. USB Type-C. And back on that side. And of course we have our visor here, which let me tell you, dust will come up on here. My Google Pixel 7, it's always dusty. Wipe it off and it seems like 5 minutes later, a bunch of dust on it. Then of course you have your cameras and our flash. I believe that is another mic there as well. Again, this is a nice color. This is a nice black color. You can already see my fingerprints all over it though. That'd be one problem with it. But yeah, very nice black Obsidian Google Pixel 8 9 Pro. Right now, as of this video, these are on sale for $550. These things go on sale all the time. So if it's not on sale when you're looking at one, I would wait a week or two. It'll probably be on sale again. The $500 or $550 is what they seem to go on sale for. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one.